Hello everyone and welcome to this homework. It is about possessive noun or the genitive s. Okay, so our homework, I'm going to explain you something before checking it. The apostrophe s is used in singular nouns by adding comma and s, as in the example of we went to Angie's house last night. And when there is a singular noun ending in s, we add comma and s again. It is the case of the class teacher is nice, or the boss's office is big, the princess dress is pink. What happened with the names? We can use both forms with the names. You can add comma and s or only a comma at the end of it. When we talk about two or more people, we use the apostrophe at the end. Or we can use it with both of them, as in the example. What happened with the plural ones? Let me see. Plural nouns ending in s, we only add a comma when they are plural. Classical religious names ending in s, we add a comma too at the end of the noun. Plural nouns not ending in s, in this case we have to add the apostrophe, like in people's grammar, means toilet, children's camping. No noun after the apostrophe. It is the case of Mary's. Okay, when we talk about something and then we refer to the same, it is not necessary to repeat the noun. So in this case, instead of saying Mary's umbrella, I can say Mary's. So in this case, I use apostrophe. Okay, so now let's start taking our homework. Okay, that was the example I gave you to start. Here you have to write a singular possessive form. All of them are singular, so in this case, let me start. The first one, you have to write the, in this case you have to write the bottle of the baby. So, of course, it is the baby's bottle. The clothes of the boy. Here, of course, you say the boy's clothes. I am talking about only one boy, so for this reason I add the apostrophe here. The dinner of dad. We don't say the dinner of dad, although it is the way we use in Spanish. We use that order, but not in English. In English, we say that's dinner. Okay, the brother of Julie. In this case, I say Julie's brother. The phone of Teresa. Teresa's phone. The car of the officer. The car of the officer. Okay, we don't say that. We say the officer's car. Tail. The tail of the dog. The dog's tail. The class of the teacher. The teacher's class. The idea of the girl's idea. The room of the doctor's room. And finally, the first star of the night. I'm thinking that this is a person, a star, I mean maybe in a TV program. All of them are singular. So as you can see in the example, we only add comma and s, the apostrophe at the end of it. Okay, let's continue. Now, with plural, we are going to work with plural. It is, I remember you that it is the genitive, the S genitive. Here, we have to write again these sentences because, of course, it is not correct. The mother of the babies. Okay, babies is plural, so you say the baby's mother. The dog of the boy's dog. The food of the children, it is an irregular plural noun, the children's food. The room of the brother, let me see, the brother's room. In this case, it is singular. This example is an exception, but anyway. The water bowl of the cat's water bowl. Okay, in this case, the man's truck and the teacher's pens, the geese's. Let me see here. I need to change it. The geese's feathers, the shark's prey, the doctor's note, the people's temple. Okay, here they are 9 of them are plural. There was only one singular. So in the case of plural, you only add comma. You only add comma in the case of doctors, sharks, teachers, cats, and boys. But what happened with children's and with men's, with geese's, peoples? In this case, they were irregular plural. They were plural that don't use an S at the end of the word. So remember that the singular is man and the plural is men. The singular is person and the plural is people. So in these cases, we add a comma and S. Okay, let's continue. Finally, we have to rewrite the sentence because they are wrong too. Let me see. The example, it says, I can see the house of my friend. Of course it is wrong. Of course it is wrong. I can see the house of my friend. I can see my friend's house. The lunchbox of Grace, it is wrong. So we say Grace lunchbox. We don't use here the. No. The net of the fisherman is caught on the rocks. Okay, the net of the fisherman is wrong. We say the fisherman's net. The skin of the frog is wrong. In this case, we have to say the frog's skin. The teacher of Mark is wrong. The teacher of Mark, we say Mark's teacher. The shirt of the boy is the boy's shirt. The light of the fridge is okay, because we're not talking about people here, animals or cars or ships. So that's our homework. Thank you very much.